Conquering STEM. You got this. STEM courses are exciting puzzles waiting to be solved. Each problem you encounter is a piece of a larger picture, and with every solution, you get closer to completing the puzzle. It's a journey filled with discovery and innovation. They can be challenging, but don't worry, you've got this. Challenges are just opportunities in disguise. Every time you face a difficult problem, think of it as a chance to grow and learn something new. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Many students find STEM courses tough. It's completely normal to feel this way. The complexity of these subjects can be daunting, but it's important to remember that feeling challenged is a part of the learning process. You might feel overwhelmed with the workload or struggle with difficult concepts. It's easy to feel like you're drowning in information, but take it one step at a time. Break down the material into manageable chunks and tackle them one by one. But remember, you're not alone. There are countless resources available to help you succeed. From study groups to tutoring sessions, there's always someone willing to lend a hand. Don't hesitate to reach out for support. We're here to give you the tools and strategies to succeed. Whether it's through interactive workshops, one-on-one mentoring, or online resources, we're committed to helping you navigate your STEM journey. STEM fields are all about problem solving and critical thinking. These skills are not only crucial for your academic success, but also for your future career. They enable you to approach problems methodically and come up with innovative solutions. These skills are valuable in any career you choose. Whether you become a scientist, an engineer, a doctor, or a tech entrepreneur, the ability to think critically and solve problems will set you apart. By mastering STEM subjects, you're opening doors to amazing opportunities in fields like medicine, engineering, and technology. These fields are constantly evolving and offer endless possibilities for those who are prepared. So, let's dive into some tips that will help you rock your STEM courses. First, stay organized. Keep track of your assignments, deadlines, and study schedules. Use planners or digital tools to manage your time effectively. Second, practice regularly. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with the material. Third, don't be afraid to ask questions. Clarifying doubts early on can prevent confusion later. Lastly, stay positive and persistent. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome challenges. With the right mindset and strategies, you can conquer any STEM course. Remember, you got this. Time management, your secret weapon. In the fast-paced world of STEM, managing your time effectively can be the difference between success and failure. It's not just about working hard, but working smart. Time management is crucial for STEM success. With so many assignments, projects, and exams, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But with the right strategies, you can stay on top of your workload and even find time for relaxation and hobbies. It's like building a rocket. Every piece needs to be in the right place at the right time. Just as a rocket requires precise engineering and timing, your study schedule needs careful planning and execution. Create a study schedule that works for you. Start by identifying your most productive times of the day and allocate those periods for your most challenging tasks. Use tools like planners, calendars, and apps to keep track of your schedule. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. This makes them less daunting and easier to tackle. For example, if you have a big project due, break it down into research, drafting, and editing phases. Prioritize your assignments and focus on the most important tasks first. Use the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks by urgency and importance. This helps you focus on what truly matters and avoid getting bogged down by less critical tasks. Don't be afraid to say no to distractions and stay disciplined with your schedule. Remember, consistency is key. It's okay to decline social invitations or turn off your phone notifications to maintain your focus. Your future self will thank you for the discipline you practice today. Also, don't forget to take breaks. Short, regular breaks can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. Review your progress regularly. At the end of each week, take some time to reflect on what you've accomplished and what still needs to be done. Adjust your schedule as needed to stay on track. Celebrate your successes no matter how small. Recognizing your achievements can boost your motivation and keep you moving forward. Remember, effective time management is a skill that takes practice, but with dedication, you can master it and achieve your STEM goals. Enjoying the video so far? Subscribe for more academic content so you never miss any future ones. Also, how was your Christmas? Did you do anything fun? Let me know down in the comments below. But let's get back to the video. Chemistry is fascinating. It's an example subject that delves into the very essence of matter, exploring the building blocks of everything around us. Chemistry plays a crucial role in our daily lives. Start by understanding the periodic table and the properties of elements. The periodic table is a map of the elements, each with its own place and significance. Knowing how to read and interpret this table is fundamental to understanding chemistry. Create flashcards for different elements and their reactions. Flashcards can help reinforce your memory and make it easier to recall important information during exams. Practice balancing chemical equations regularly. Balancing equations is like solving a puzzle, ensuring that the same number of atoms of each element are present on both sides of the equation. This skill is essential for predicting the outcomes of chemical reactions and for understanding the conservation of mass. Use visual aids like molecular models to grasp complex concepts. Seeing these processes in action, whether through animations or 3D models, can make abstract concepts more concrete. It helps to bridge the gap between theory and reality, making it easier to grasp complex ideas. Join study groups to discuss and solve problems together. Collaborating with peers can provide new insights and make learning more engaging. Study groups can also offer support and motivation. Remember, consistent practice and active engagement are key to excelling in chemistry. Don't be afraid to ask your professor or TA for help if you get stuck. Chemistry can be challenging, and it's important to seek guidance when needed. Professors and teaching assistants are there to support your learning journey, so take advantage of their expertise. Asking questions is a key part of the learning process and can lead to deeper understanding. Calculus: conquering derivatives and integrals. Calculus might seem intimidating, but it's all about understanding how things change. Start by mastering the fundamentals of algebra and trigonometry. Practice, practice, practice. Work through numerous examples and problems. Focus on understanding the concepts behind the formulas, not just memorizing them. Calculus is like learning a new language. The more you practice, the more fluent you become. Science: exploring the wonders of the universe. Science is about curiosity and exploration. Whether it's biology, physics, or astronomy, approach each subject with a sense of wonder. Attend all lectures and labs and take detailed notes. Engage actively in class by asking questions and participating in discussions. Don't be afraid to seek clarification on anything you don't understand. Science is all about asking why and how. Acing exams: strategies for success. Exams can be nerve-wracking, but with the right preparation, you can ace them. Start studying early and review the material regularly. Use different study methods like flashcards, practice problems, and summarizing key concepts. Get a good night's sleep before the exam and eat a healthy breakfast. Stay calm and focused during the test. Remember, you've got this. Seeking help: professors and TAs are your allies. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Your professors and TAs want you to succeed. Attend their office hours, ask questions, and participate in study groups. Collaborating with your peers can be incredibly helpful. Explain concepts to each other and work through problems together. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Stay positive. You can do it. Believe in yourself. STEM courses can be challenging, but you have the intelligence and determination to succeed. Celebrate your progress and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Remember to take breaks, stay hydrated, and get enough sleep. A healthy mind and body are essential for optimal learning. You've got this. The rewards of STEM: unlocking a world of opportunities. Excelling in STEM courses opens doors to incredible opportunities. You'll develop valuable skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and innovation. These skills are in high demand across various industries. Whether you dream of becoming a scientist, engineer, doctor, or entrepreneur, a strong STEM foundation will set you on the path to success. So, embrace the challenge, stay curious, and never stop exploring the wonders of STEM. Be sure to have a nice night, and good night.